Some Iowans had to weather today's winter storm without power. Strong winds knocked down a lot of power lines.
Yeah, our Bo Bowman is in Redfield tonight, and Bo, that's causing some big problems for a water plant there.
Yeah, Ben, Jody, it's not just homeowners that lost their power. This is the Dexter Water Plant, which is actually located just outside the city of Redfield. I know that's confusing, but that's just where the well is, so it's where the plant has to be. It lost power overnight, which means the city of Dexter only has what's in the water tower left in its water supply. However much water is in the Dexter water tower is all they have left.
We lost power sometime overnight last night at our water plant.
Dexter City Councilman TJ Morehouse says they're asking all residents to conserve as much water as they can.
Asking people to try to refrain from showers and baths for a day, or a few hours, hopefully. Refrain from any laundry, things like that.
Morehouse says their normal backup plan, Xenia Rural Water District, also lost power along with 4 generators. He says if they run out of water before power to either of the plants is restored, they don't know what they'll do.
If we run out of water, we're going to have to come up with some kind of backup plan. There's only so much water in that water tower. We usually go through a little bit over each day, about 10 or 15,000 gallons more than what that water tower will hold.
In the neighboring town of Redfield, about 2/3 of the city lost power. You can see just how strong the winds were, rooting up this tall tree and pushing it onto the power lines.
I woke up about 5. It was maybe 60 in the house.
Residents like Dan Mayer are staying home for the day, despite being without electricity. It's hard to get anywhere when Interstate 80 was impassable most of the morning and early afternoon, and Highway 6 was tricky too.
I mean, it was blowing and you couldn't see anything.
Sam Guzzi was one of the lucky ones in Redfield, never losing electricity. He's ready to start the dig out.
Thought about it before it freezes again tonight.
And back in Dexter, they're hopeful they can get this electricity at the water plant turned back on either sometime tonight or maybe tomorrow so that they can get that water going again, get some more reserves back into the water tower. People can go back to their regular water usage. But for now, we're live in Dallas County. Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
All right, Bo, thank you. Not a good situation for folks over in Dallas County.
Yeah.